Hello, my name is Capricorntigress of Astrology, A Look Inside, and I would like to take this moment during the Halloween season to invite you all to come by astrologyalookinside.com. And for those who are new to astrology, or if you're just a little interested and want to know beforehand, I give away free mini astrological readings at my group on Facebook. So just go to facebook.com/groups/astrology a look inside and come and make your request for a free mini astrology reading. I look forward to serving you. And happy Halloween! Woo!